Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a great pair of earbuds, but you're so sick of them falling out of your ear? I highly recommend checking out these Beats Fit Pro. These are my husband's. He has them in the black color, which I think is super sleek with that red accent. I have these as well in a different color, and I have to tell you that I love them. They are my go-to for working out because they stay in my ear. It's incredible. I have had a lot of different types of earbuds, and I've had ones where I've been really stressed that they're gonna fall out of my ear. These stay put. I never have to worry about them. I love the carrying case because it is so sleek, and I love too that they stay put even in the case itself. So they stay in your ear and they stay in the case. You can hear they kind of have this like magnetic click, and it tells you that they're in place and they are charging for you. They are so easy and so comfortable to just sit right in your ear. They have this little hook that's like silicone, so it's very, very comfy, but that's what helps it to really stay in your ear. In like 1 second, I'm able to put that in. And I even have a piercing in this ear, which has really been a struggle for me with earbuds, but this fits comfortably even around that. These have such a great noise cancellation feature. I was shocked at how well it worked being an earbud and not a headphone, but I wore these on a flight recently and was actually shocked at how noisy my flight was when I took them out. The noise cancellation works so well. So if you are looking for an option to be active or just enjoy really great sound with your earbuds in a way that you know they're gonna stay in your ears, I highly recommend checking out these Beats Fit Pro. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.